My name is Eli Deuce with Atlas Mining and Manufacturing, and this is our Prospector Mill. We've designed this mill to accommodate everybody's needs as far as milling rock. In the past, you could purchase jaws and impactors and tables and try to piece them all together yourself, but we've engineered a mill that is affordable to everyone and is already engineered, wired, and plumbed. All you have to do is place this mill, level it, and you're milling rock. In the video you just watched, we just ran about 200-pound mill test of vein material that we gathered. And through the video you saw how the jaw crusher worked. Now the jaw is taking the material down from fist-size rock down to 3/8 minus, and it's going into our ore bin, which holds about 75 pounds of pre-crushed material, which then is gravity fed into our auger. Now our auger is carrying the ore into the feed on our impactor. Our impactor is crushing wet, and it's taking the material from 3/8 minus down to 50 mesh and finer. And it's gravity feeding out through our discharge tube to the head of our table, which is the RP4 by Global Mining Solutions. This table, we designed the mill around this table because of its proven history, and it's a really, really good table. The ore comes into the head of the table, and then obviously the table separates the ore. Your sulfides, base metals, will all go into your mids and lows, and your gold, silver, and few your heavy sulfides will end up in your high grade con. Now out of that mill run that we just did, this is our preliminary high grade con, which is more sulfides than silver, just because the table takes a few minutes to settle in when you're running it. There is gold, silver, and sulfides all in here. Now what you'll do with this is you'll dry this out, classify it, and you'll run it through the Blue Bowl concentrator, which will leave you with just free gold. Then you can mill your silver, smelt your silver down separately. So that was the beginning of the mill run. And then on our cleanup of the mill run, which is when the gold line will build, after the table settle in, you have a higher grade con, which is a lot of silver, some gold, and yet still some sulfides. But with the Blue Bowl concentrator after this, you can clean this up and just get your free gold, melt it down yourself. Now our base metal con is mainly all metal. You have a little bit of quartz left. It's very fine material, and this is direct shippable to a smelter. And your lows are mainly quartz and have some value left. And then of course your tails are heading out into your tailings bin. We built the tailings bin to where you're catching your heavy tails here, which are easy to dump out. And then secondly, you have your removable tailings bin, and that's catching your slimes and whatnot. And that's about it, how it works. That's it.